There's a lot of pool software out there that tout their ability to track customers and equipment, and that's great. They're basically filing systems. But do you want to use a file system to manage your pool business? That's like using a teaspoon to fill your swimming pool in the middle of summer. If you want to get the job done right, you have to use the right tool. And filing systems and even accounting software packages is not the right way to go. Hydroscribe is the right tool because it puts you in control of all areas of your business. To properly run a business, you need to manage your people, your processes, and your products. So let's take a look at how Hydroscribe can help you manage all three. Now, the first thing that you see when you open up the first option on the menu is the Find My Crews option. So what that does is it gives you a map and it shows you the work crews that are out there, the route name, the number of pools they have to service on that route, and the number of pools they've completed. Then it also gives you a pin that shows you the exact GPS location of where that crew is. Both pins should be in the exact same area. If not, it means the crew is not where they're supposed to be. So then you can call them up and ask them why not, or from the menu you can even send a text to every member of that crew just by using this option. The other thing that we do is we give you the master route sheet, which gives you kind of a different view. It gives you the routes that are out there, and it shows you all the pools that have to be serviced and the ones that have been completed. Here's one that's been completed, for example. When I click on it, it gives me the visit summary. It shows me the tech, the time he started, the time he ended, the number of minutes he spent on site, all the chemical levels that he recorded, and the chemicals that he added to the pool, and then any tasks that he performed, any notes he left for the customers, or any alerts. So you get an entire view of what that tech did while he was on that site. And that's just a couple ways to manage people. Now, to manage your processes, we give you all kinds of options. For example, you can manage your pools. And let's just take a quick look at the pool. Here, as we open the pool record, and you can see how easy it is to do that. I'd simply click on it. You have your pool address, and below you get to select the days of the week that you're going to process that pool, and beneath that are the frequencies at which you're going to actually process that pool. So you, for example, you might start off processing this pool once every 4 weeks, and then once every 2 weeks, and then in the middle of summer you're down to processing that pool once a week. The system uses this information to build a route sheet for your techs every single day. So they never have to wonder, what am I going to be working on today? They will have a route sheet. We also give you full control over your pool openings and your pool closings. And any customer equipment that you need to document, you can document it. You can also do that from the route sheet itself while the pool tech is on site. We give you full control over your financials. All your financial operations are there. We give you full control over your invoicing. You can do automatic billing, you can do manual billing, you can look at all your invoices. You can even run trial invoices, which allow you to see what the invoices are going to look like before you even bill the customer. You can control your inventory. We give you ways to control your parts inventory and your chemical inventories, and you can manage inventory on a truck level, or you can manage inventory that's just in a storeroom. It doesn't matter. So that's all the processes that you can control. Now, the products that you provide customers are: one, the work crews that are out there cleaning and repairing pools. If your work crews are going to do a job, you're going to probably want them to do them in a certain order. So we gave you task lists, for example. And what a task list is, it breaks down a repair job or cleaning job, any kind of maintenance job, into specific tasks that you want them to do, and you set them out in the order in which they're to do them. And you can give them technical instructions as well. Now, what you're going to do with that is, once you save that and you're scheduling a job for them to do, let's just add a job here real quickly. You add the customer information, and then you're going to attach that task list that you just created to that job. So now once you submit that, it shows up in your control panel here, and you can schedule that job and assign it to a specific work crew. So this gives you control over your work crews, how they're going to create that experience for the customer to have a good, clean, running pool. The second product that you produce that most companies do not realize is a product is happy customers. Quite often the customer is overlooked, but we give you a customer menu, and from that customer menu we allow customers to do some things for themselves. For example, how many times do they ask, did the pool guy actually come out to my pool today? Well, they can look it up for themselves. They can see the readings that the pool guy took, any alert messages he left for them, and all the tasks that he actually performed. And they can do that for any past date as well by selecting the past status. The other thing they can do, for example, is they can look up their invoices, and they can not only see what invoices are out there and look at their past invoice as well as their current invoice, they can actually pay their invoice if it's currently sitting out there for them to pay. So we give them the ability to do certain things for themselves. Happy customers are what your business ultimately is after. So now you've seen just a few examples of how Hydroscribe helps you to manage all areas of your business. This is a great time for you to go out there and try a demo or sign up for the 30-day free trial. So seriously, stop listening to me and visit hydroscribe.com now. It's sitting there waiting for you.